YouTube, so we're gonna play Minecraft. This is my seat. If you log in, you will come here. This is where you buy keys. They're all gone because they are all not done. And this is a secret place that we share later. This is the first room. This is beside. This is my brother's room. It's not done. And the third floor is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is my food. This is the menu. And I'm gonna cook right here. My money is in here. I made this spaghetti.
Made out of glass, which breaks easily. Let's throw this ball out of harm's way.
This is my enchanting room. If you not know to use this enchanting room, I will show you. Just get armor or weapon. You will click this. You will click the armor to your and you should.
Why is this greenhouse made of glass? If glass breaks easily.
Because I grow plants in it. Let me show you. These plants like sunlight, and glass lets the light in.
This smells lovely.